What's up guys, let me show you how to use our indicator to find buy signals. So the rules are still the same. All you have to do is follow 3 simple steps. Number 1, you need to look to the top left. You need to look to the top left, right, which is up here. Okay, and then you need to see you need to find a strong uptrend, okay, which means that the market is going to go up and you need to be looking for buy trades. Okay, and then the next thing that you want to see is on the higher time frames, you want to see majority of the candlesticks right here to be bullish, okay, which indicates to us that there is a high buying pressure from the price action, indicating that the market is going to go up. Okay, and then number 3 is we want to see the trading signals, take profit, and stop loss. Okay, so once you figured out those 3 things, then you are anticipating to get a trade to the top side. So what you're going to do is now you're going to open up a trade where the market currently is. You're going to open up a buy trade, and then you're going to put your stop loss down here where there's that red dashed line, and then you're going to put your take profit up here where there's that green dashed line. And there you have it, guys. You've got your complete trade with the take profit and the stop loss based off of our trading system. So if you guys like this video and you want to know more, send a DM or leave a comment under this video and we'll be sure to get back to you. So thank you so much guys for watching the video. I'll see you up on the next one.